Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this powerful hair growth oil. If your scalp has any issues of concern, this hair oil is for you. All right, so I'm cutting one big ball of my purple onion. Onion has extra sulfur to support your hair, to make your hair strong and thick. It helps to prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. Okay, so I'm chopping it to enable me blend it into a fine paste. The next is my ginger. Ginger helps to circulate your scalp with blood flow. It stimulates your hair follicles as well. It promotes longer, stronger hair. The many vitamins and minerals in ginger also contribute to help you to strengthen your hair strands and to also fight hair loss. All right. So the next will be clove. Clove is a very good spice. It's used worldwide and it helps the hair to grow wonderfully strong. Okay, it helps to get rid of dandruff and itchy scalp and also drying scalp. The next I'll be using will be my um, garlic. Garlic also promotes hair growth. It also prevents hair loss as well. It's strengthening the hair roots and minimizes breakage. It nourishes the hair follicles and promotes healthier and stronger hair growth. The next is coconut oil. Coconut oil is also beneficial for growing your hair longer. It helps to moisturize your hair. We also have the olive oil. Olive oil also helps the hair to grow thicker, longer, and healthier. All right. So, in all of this, guys, if you don't have your MSM powder and you are suffering alopecia, guys, please get MSM powder. It is a very good powder and it also contains sulfur. It helps your hair too. The next is an empty bottle that I'll be using to store the oil. All right, get something that has a nozzle like this to enable your hair gets the oil, your scalp gets the oil. All right, so in a clean blender, I'm pouring the chopped onions to blend it into a fine smooth paste. It must necessarily not be smooth, but just a fine paste, okay? So I'm going to blend it out. And if you're not using onion, if you're not using onion on your hair, guys, you have not started getting all the benefits, right? Onion is very, very good, very, very good. It's a great choice and it's very, very inexpensive. Something you can lay your hands on in your kitchen. So just try to get onion. The sulfur in onion can help your hair to grow strong and thick. Onion also helps to prevent hair loss and thereby making your hair grow thicker and fuller. All right, so I've blended it and this is how it is looking. I'm going to set it aside to blend my garlic and my clove. These two spice, these two combination are very powerful. Clove helps itching scalp. It helps to grow your hair strong. It has antifungal properties that can help you get rid of dandruff, and it has antioxidants present inside. It moisturizes your scalp and remove any dead hair follicles. So straight to my bowl, I'm going to be adding the blended onion and add the olive oil into the fry pan. Now you're going to put this on a low heat, right? So that it does not burn. So I'm adding the blended ginger and garlic as well. So you give this a good stir, all right? To just keep stirring intermittently so it doesn't burn. All right, remember it has to be under low heat so that it will not strip the whole benefits from this mixture. Okay, so I'm going to add in my dry powdered ginger and I'm still going to keep giving this a good stir. All right, so try to be present and like stir it occasionally so that it doesn't burn. So these are very good combination for your hair. These are kitchen things that you can find in your kitchen. All right, so next I'm pouring is my coconut oil. So these combinations are actually very good. All right, so guys, if you've watched up to this moment and you've not given me a follow, a subscribe, guys, please subscribe and join the family. So after getting this to um, cook well, I let it sit down and cool a bit. So I'm going to strain the oil out now. All right, try to strain with a cheesecloth. The reason for you straining is so you can get all the excess shaft, or any lumps that is in your mixture in your oil. So I'm going to sieve with a sieve cloth, okay, to get the oil to be very pure, clean, and so I can package it. And so this is what we have. Don't mind me, the oil was still a bit hot. So after sieving oil, this is what we got. So this is not going to waste. This is going to be used as a spice to boil my meat. All right. So now I'm going to add this MSM powder. Guys, MSM powder is a form of sulfur and is an essential component for our skin as well. It helps to promote hair growth. If you have scalp issue, MSM powder will work it out for you. Anyways, it is water soluble, but I decided to put it in my oil so it doesn't dissolve into oil. It actually dissolves into warm water, but I decided to use this in my oil. Okay, so package this I'm going to package this. And my mom is suffering alopecia. I think this is one kind of hereditary. I am suffering alopecia as well. So she's going to have one, I'm going to have one. All right. So I'm packaging this to use on her hair. So guys, if you've watched this video, let me know in the comment section if you're going to give this a try. But guys, this will do the magic for you. My hair is improving. The part that is so bad and painful has started healing. Okay, because the alopecia I'm suffering, mine hurts. The part that is bald actually hurts. Okay, but now it's healing. It's not that empty. It's not that bald. It's not that shining bald. So I'm going to be showing you guys. I even had to braid, but don't worry about the braid. The stylist that is braiding, she saw the area, she saw the situation there at my crown. See, at my T crown, that crown where my hands are touching, that is where it's bowed. And guys, I didn't have hair there initially, but so far you can see the improvement. That area that I'm touching used to be empty, bowed, shining, and achy, and it's also itchy. It usually itches me, and so I don't allow that place to go dry. I always put oil morning and night because I find out that it dries off fast. Okay, so guys, don't mind the style, it's not tight, it's not painful. If not, I will not sit for it because my scalp is very tender. Okay, so guys, this is how my hair is looking. I'm going to be applying the oil to my scalp. All right, don't mind me, I'm just doling over myself. Am I not beautiful? Well, girl has to dole over herself 1 or 2 times, right? It's not a crime. So this is how the oil is. It's still warm, all right? So I like to usually warm my oil before I apply it in my scalp, because if you get the oil warm and you apply it on your scalp, it sink deep into your scalp, all right? So guys, this is how the hair is, all right? So I'm so happy, I'm glad at my recovery, my scalp recovery, and how it's healing, all right? So I've stopped using relaxer for a long time, for like 10 years now. I've stopped using relaxer. Okay, I'm managing the hair gradually. I'm going over with my microblading. I usually microblade. Yeah, I do microblading at home. Okay, it's safe. After microblading, I also use minoxidil. It's a treatment for alopecia. So minoxidil can be very drying. So after applying, I try to go over with my hair oil. Okay, so I'm not showing the use of minoxidil today because I just want to show the oil that I made and how I apply it directly to the scalp. Okay, so we have progress and I'm happy I'm getting there. Yeah, I'm not in a hurry, but the gradual result I get is enough, and I'm glad. The pains in that area, the headaches in that section is gradually going down. Um, Initially, I cannot sit a day without having pain in that region, but now it's gradually going off. So I'm giving it a little bit of massage for it to sink into my scalp. Oh God, it was relieving, okay, and just calming. So you can do this at home, and like you can just massage the oil into your scalp and give your hair a massage. If you don't have that massage machine, the little one, the little device to massage your hair, you can use your fingertips to massage. It's not that bad, okay? So guys, yeah, after applying, I'm kind of trying to pack the hair into section. And yes, this is how to use the hair oil. This will help your hair, okay guys? So let me know in the comment section if you've tried this combo, if it gives you good results, because I know this is helpful. It's making the hair thicker and fuller by the day. And yes, slow and steady, they say, wins the race, guys. So yes, this is how far I have gone with my hair journey. I was going back to back with the video even when I gave my hair a big chop in my my former channel that got deleted because of one issue or the other with YouTube. So I've lost all those videos, but yeah, this is a work in progress. I don't think I'm going to give any chop again. I'm going to manage this issue until I get a good result. So guys, don't mind me. So I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.